the egg in the hole.
We are making what?
Eggs.
Chocolate?
Mister.
Chocolate moist cake.
Maming taba ang tai. Taba.
Gawin mo, mag-mix ng egg. What are you cooking? Chocolate cake. Chocolate moist cake. Yung taga-mix. Okay guys, luto ng ating chocolate moist cake. So, ginamit namin ni Gab kasi milk chocolate. Kaya, hindi siya ganun kaitim, no? Light brown siya. So, hindi na ako naglagay ng food color para maging black siya. Ito ay tawag chocolate moist cake ito. Luto na. Mamaya, pag lamig niya, baliktarin natin. Tapos, lagyan ng frosting. Yan. Ginaspread na ng bata ang custard. What do you call what you're spreading?
No.
It's the custard. Sige, spread mo lahat-lahat. Dun pa, oh. Dun. Nag-bake ang bata, guys.
Done.
Wala pa, done. Ganun, no? Ay, oh. Lahat ba? I-spread mo. Yan, nag-practice yan mag-bake ang bata.
This is my first birthday.
Ha? First birthday?
It's pretend. Hi guys, this is my first mommy at birthday.
Ha? What's your wish?
Sing happy birthday to me.
Oh, happy birthday to you. What's Nagawa kami ng merinda, chocolate moist cake with custard filling.